Hi guys, it's the Bear here and Chip. Yes, spring has come at last. Better just explain that thumbnail, okay? Now, good news is, I'm inside the studio, so I'm able to work from there. Bad news is, right outside, they're building a new road. So I don't know if that's going to affect anything like usually my audio for my videos. Anyways, that was just a side-by-side. I'm doing a channel update just because I've got so much going on at the moment. I want to explain a few things. Okay, first of all, got two reviews up recently. I think we're going to be building up the Su 33 next. Sukhoi 33 is probably going to be the next sort of big build, unless things change drastically. But also today, like this morning, what you've seen is a review on the Takom M3 early, and there's a whole series of videos. They go out on Monday mornings, and that is total beginner stuff. Probably not for most of you guys, you know, it's sort of telling you how to suck eggs really, but it's just beginner stuff. It was shot last year. It's about a year old, that footage, but it basically tells you, you know, a beginner, how to build up models. And that's just going to go out on Mondays, okay? Now, also, of course, we are working on the armoured car. I really hope to finish this week. Obviously, you can see where I'm up to. I've got a lot of the base painting done. Now, a couple of things have just sort of cropped up all in one go. First of all, big thanks to Charlie and the Takom team. They have sent me the SAN7 new kit from Takom, the launcher. I did have a small role to play in this, so that's why they sent me the kit. So we're going to get a review of that, and that might be a very quick build. I think it'd be something like sort of refreshing, sort of change of pace. On top of that as well, today I went to the post office and Abrams Squad new magazines. There's actually 3 to look at, so I'm going to get you reviews of those magazines. So yeah, just going to bring you up to date really on what's going on with the channel, because there seems to be so much happening at the moment. But really I wanted to explain that that is an old build that's on Mondays. This should be with us on Friday, and then we'll get a review up of that probably this week, and we'll probably do the magazines as well, maybe next week. So that's all I've got to say. Tell me your thoughts, guys. Are you keen to see that? I think the consensus is to build the Sukhoi 33 next, which I'm quite keen to do. Strangely enough, I'm waiting on another kit. It's a bit of a surprise, that one. It's been on pre-order a long time, and it just hasn't materialized, and that was going to be the next build. So I think we're going to plow ahead with Sukhoi 33. Anyways, guys, hope you're all well, hope you're enjoying the content, and this is the Bear and Chip, and we are out of here.